Hi and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to set your Facebook story on private. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to set your Facebook story to private on the mobile app, just follow these steps. Now open up Facebook app on your mobile device, then tap on your profile picture on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on Add Story button. Then, take a photo or video or choose one from your camera roll and add any filters or effects you want. But before you post your story, tap Privacy. And here, it says here that who can see your story. Your story will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger. So on the story settings screen, you can toggle friends option to make your story visible only to your Facebook friends, and you can also choose to customize your audience by selecting custom and choosing specific friends or group to share your story with. Once you've set your story to private, just tap on share button to post it to your story. You can also hide story from specific people. Please take note that if you have a public Facebook account, anyone who visits your profile can see your story unless you set it to private. And if you want to change the privacy settings of the story after you posted it, just tap on the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the story and select Edit Story Settings. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!